Did you see Nani? You saw Nani just now? Baby help. Baby's doing it all by himself. Wow.
Hey, see it? In search of the one great mammal, Ronald. Yes, when we locate him, we will ask him how did he become so great? Why did he become so great? He's still walking here so barefoot. There's only one cut for make you get a little sense. That's what that is. Oh, Shakola, she slippers in your hand. It says one cut you need to catch some sense. Yeah. And let's look at this little baby, this uncle holding a little baby. Look, think they put in the baby here there. The baby here, they need all them thing inside. But like they buy it out, they have to use it.
When you get girl children, that's what you usually do. You dress them up.
I can tell. They ain't had nothing else to do. They're like, this is a child's priority.
Alex, look, we get roti. Roti. Say thank you.
For daddy.
Look at the rain out there and the water. Look how rough the water is. This reminds me of
Waves crashing.
Pacifica. Waves crashing. Pacifica, San Francisco.
Well, technically, Pacifica is not can be San Francisco.
Oh, it's not San Francisco.
Yeah, it's very different. It's a different city.
It's just Pacifica.
Pacifica, California.
Oh, oh. Spit, spit. Okay, okay. No more. That does look nice.
So, where are we going, Alex?
Ma,
Alex,
may apa nih?
uh-huh. Alex, say hi.
Hai.
You could just give a kiss? Who did you kiss? Kiss mommy.
Bell.
You on your seatbelt. There is a store that Ron and I came to. Oh, this is the store, Dion. The store here.
Chino?
This big Chino store, yeah. That's where I got all the truck. The TRUCKS.
Oh. Doo-doo-doo.
Oh my Donna. Good. Oh.
And on this farm, he had a pig.
Oh.
And how does a pig go?
Oink, oink, oink.
Ah.
Elmo farm.
Elmo Farmer had a
E-I-E.
EI.
Oh.
Yes.
Elmo farm. Pig. E-I-E.
Good job. Say Alex did a
I-O. Go inside. E-I-E.
You going inside EIEIO? Dion, you heard the one? Go inside EIEIO.
Inside.
Hello, Alex? Alex, where are you? Dion, I think we left Alex.
We did?
We did. Where is Alex? I can't find him.
Where is my son?
B X.
Y.
Good job. Alex? I hear him, but I don't see him. Where is he?
Yeah. Hey. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a church.
Hey. Ah yeah. Container. 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 Oh yeah. The good. Container. Truck on Tino. Truck. Container. What is that saying? Ah.
Look at his birds.
Look at this bird. Look at this bird. Look at this bird. Red bird.